Alright, on this segment we are going to look at how we can read music on the guitar. This might be something new for you, so I want you to study up this well, because it's like a new language which you are going to learn to read this music. I'm going to leave this slide in the attachment when I send you an email. I want you to study the slide well before you appear for class on Wednesday, alright? And I'm just going to speak a bit about some of the aspects of reading music on the guitar. For starters, we'll use a staff which has 5 lines, and for guitarists we will only use the treble clef. This is what the treble clef looks like. Sometimes it's called the G clef as well. And music is contained in what we call measures or bars. A single line is called a bar line. 2 strokes, a double bar line, sometimes is used to denote the end of a section. And for the end of a piece, we will use a final bar line which has a single line and a thicker second line, as you see here. And in music, you'll also see this symbol called a time signature. The common ones for us are 4/4, as you see here, or sometimes it's 2/4, sometimes it's 3/4, and you might occasionally see something called 6/8. Alright, that means there are 6 quavers in a bar, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll explain more about this time signatures as we see them, but for now you must at least know 4/4. And the explanation here says top number is about how many beats in a bar, and the bottom number is the rhythmic value. Now, where are these notes actually on the treble clef? These are all the notes from the E note here, the lowest E note. This is your open 6th string, and it goes all the way up to a high E, which is the 12th fret of your 1st string. I want you to find this note later on when you pick up your guitar. Play this note E, 12th fret on the 1st string, and the lowest note on the 6th string, which is the open string, that is also an E. And in between you got all these various notes. We are going to learn some of these notes slowly in segments as we start to read notes on the 1st position. 1st position means on the 1st fret of each string. That will be done slowly, alright? Not today. Now, just a few words about the key signature. As you can see here, an example of the key signature used for the key of D major. Now, when we say D major, we are referring to a scale. And in the D major scale, these are the notes which represent the scale. And as you can see, the F note and the C note have this symbol which is called a sharp, right? F sharp and C sharp, while the other notes are natural notes. Whenever you have music in a certain key, in this case D major, we will automatically denote the F sharp and C sharp, as you see here, at the front of the treble clef. Now, why is this an F sharp? It's because the hashtag symbol here is written over the F line. This line represents F note, while this space represents a C note. So C sharp and F sharp. And be aware that when you write F sharp here, it doesn't mean only Fs which are written in this register. It could also mean Fs written in any register, like an F here. This is also an F note, a lower F. It's an F sharp. While the C here is a C sharp. If I had a C written high above, that would also be a C sharp or a C written lower. Alright?